Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful topic that can transform your life. Speak to yourself this way and attract all you desire. Self-talk is an incredible tool that can shape our reality, boost our confidence, and help us achieve our goals. In this video, we'll explore 5 key segments on how to master positive self-talk and harness its power to attract everything you desire. So let's get started. Segment 1: The power of positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are short, powerful statements that you repeat to yourself to challenge and overcome negative thoughts. When you regularly affirm positive statements, you rewire your brain to focus on your strengths and potential. For instance, instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I am capable and strong enough to handle this challenge over time." This shift in mindset can have profound effects on your confidence and overall outlook on life. Research has shown that people who practice positive affirmations regularly experience lower stress levels, higher self-esteem, and a greater sense of control over their lives. So make it a habit to start your day with positive affirmations and watch how your perspective changes. Segment 2: Visualization techniques for success. Visualization is a mental practice where you imagine yourself achieving your goals in vivid detail. This technique not only boosts your motivation but also primes your brain to recognize and seize opportunities that align with your desires. To start, find a quiet place, close your eyes, and picture yourself reaching your goals. Imagine every detail: the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with your success. For example, if you're aiming for a promotion, visualize yourself in your new role, excelling and feeling proud of your accomplishments. The more detailed and emotionally charged your visualization, the more effective it will be. Make this practice a daily routine, and you'll find yourself naturally gravitating towards actions that bring your vision to life. Segment 4: The importance of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can drastically improve your mental and emotional well-being. By focusing on what you're thankful for, you shift your attention away from what you lack and towards what you have. This shift creates a positive feedback loop, where positive feelings attract more positive experiences. To cultivate gratitude, start a daily gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be big or small, anything that brings you joy or satisfaction. Over time, this practice will rewire your brain to naturally focus on the positives, enhancing your overall sense of happiness and well-being. Remember, a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. Segment 5: Setting clear intentions. Setting clear intentions is about defining what you truly want and committing to it with all your energy. When your intentions are clear, the universe aligns to help you achieve them. Start by writing down your goals and the steps you need to take to achieve them. Be specific and realistic. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be successful," define what success looks like for you, whether it's a specific job, financial stability, or personal growth. Then, create a plan of action and take consistent steps towards your goals. Regularly review and adjust your intentions as needed, and stay focused on the end result. Clear intentions combined with positive self-talk create a powerful force that attracts all you desire. Inclusion, and there you have it, folks. By mastering these techniques: positive affirmations, visualization, reframing negative thoughts, practicing gratitude, and setting clear intentions, you can transform your self-talk and attract everything you desire. Remember, the way you speak to yourself shapes your reality, so choose your words wisely.